The Art and Delicacies of Sushi, a Culinary Journey. Unveiling the Mystique of Sushi. Imagine a dish so perfect that its beauty could rival a carefully crafted work of art. The simplicity of sushi belies its intricate history and the deep cultural significance it holds in Japan. Each piece of sushi tells a story, a narrative woven from the threads of tradition and innovation that date back centuries. But what exactly makes sushi an art form? It is not merely the skillful arrangement of rice and fish. The essence of sushi lies in the harmony of flavors, the balance of textures, and the commitment to quality ingredients. From the moment you first taste it, you can sense the love and dedication that have gone into crafting each piece. This journey leads us through time and across oceans. A glimpse into history. The roots of sushi can be traced back to Southeast Asia, where a method of preserving fish in fermented rice was born. This delicacy was eventually introduced to Japan, evolving over time. By the Edo period in the 19th century, sushi transformed into a fast food enjoyed by bustling city dwellers. The combination of vinegared rice with fresh fish became a culinary sensation. As sushi spread across Japan, regional variations emerged, each reflecting local tastes and available ingredients. For instance, in Osaka, sushi is often made with mackerel, while in Tokyo, you might find the famous nigiri, hand-formed rice topped with a slice of fish. This diversity enriches the sushi experience and gives each bite a unique story to tell. Cultural significance. Sushi is not just food, it is a symbol of Japanese culture and hospitality. The practice of eating sushi often reflects a convivial experience, bringing people together. In Japan, sushi bars are social spaces where customers engage with chefs, making each meal a shared moment of joy and community. Additionally, sushi represents the seasons in Japan. Different types of fish are celebrated in their peak freshness at various times of the year. This connection to nature adds another layer of meaning, making sushi a reflection of the Japanese philosophy of living in harmony with the environment. The craftsmanship of sushi. Creating sushi is an art that takes years to master. Sushi chefs, known as itamai, undergo rigorous training, learning not just about technique, but also about the fish and rice they use. Each subtle movement, how the rice is shaped, the way fish is sliced, requires precision and an understanding of flavor profiles. The rice, or shari, is particularly important. It must be cooked to perfection, seasoned just right with vinegar, sugar, and salt, creating a sweet, tangy foundation that balances the umami of the fish. The importance given to rice in sushi preparation is a fundamental aspect that many overlook. One could argue that sushi begins with quality rice. Sushi beyond the sea. As sushi gained international fame, it transformed, adapting to local tastes and preferences. In the United States, for example, the infamous California roll emerged, which uses crab meat and avocado instead of raw fish. This adaptation shows sushi's ability to evolve while maintaining its core essence. This fusion of traditional and innovative styles creates a vibrant sushi culture around the world. It invites new interpretations, allowing chefs to experiment and create diverse sushi dishes unknown to the original Japanese versions. Balancing the palate. When you enjoy sushi, You experience a complex blend of flavors and textures. The slight sweetness of the rice harmonizes with the salty ocean taste of the fish. Each piece delivers a sensory experience that captivates not just the palate, but the mind and heart. Yet, many people believe that sushi must always be eaten with soy sauce and wasabi. Here lies a surprising truth. Sushi can be enjoyed without condiments. While some sushi types pair wonderfully with soy sauce, others are crafted to be consumed on their own, meant to be savored in their purest form. This notion may contradict common beliefs, but it highlights the artistry behind crafting sushi. Personal connections. Sushi is often tied to personal experiences and memories. Whether it's the first time tasting sushi at a restaurant or a family gathering where sushi was served, these moments become special milestones. Sushi can evoke warmth and nostalgia, combining flavors with cherished memories. Do you remember your first sushi experience? Was it a delightful surprise or an acquired taste? Reflecting on these moments can deepen your appreciation for this culinary art. Sushi in a globalized world. As the world becomes more connected, sushi continues to push boundaries. Chefs around the world are not just making sushi, they are reimagining it. Sushi-making classes have become popular, allowing people to understand the beauty of this art firsthand. As you explore sushi in your community, keep an eye out for new twists on this classic dish. Each version offers a peek into the culinary creativity that sushi inspires. Conclusion: an ongoing journey. Ultimately, sushi is an invitation to appreciate not just what is on your plate, but the history, culture, and craftsmanship behind it. It encourages a deeper connection to food, reminding us that each bite is steeped in tradition and innovation. Whether you are savoring traditional nigiri or a creative roll from a local eatery, you partake in a journey that is both historical and contemporary. So, the next time you enjoy sushi, take a moment to reflect on the path it has traveled and the stories it tells. What are your favorite sushi memories or experiences? Sharing these can inspire others to embark on their own sushi adventure.